Google Map has been evolved over the years, and now it is one of the very important tool for your business, because people, whenever they are trying to find something, whenever they are trying to locate something, they use Google Map to find nearby locations, to via location, to get directions to a specific location, and may know more about the business, what kind of services they do. Also, importantly, people share their experiences on their Google Map on what is their experience over the location. They share pictures, rating, reviews, which makes Google Maps an important business tool for your business, website, or company, or a product or service, whatever you are selling it. So without a doubt, it's a very important tool for your business, and this video is on how to set up your business on Google Map. So let's get started with it. So the process is really easy. All you have to do is you have to open the website. It's business.google.com. Whenever you enter this, you will be landed on Google Business Profile Manager, and through here you can add your business. You can see my existing businesses here. So what you have to do is you can press this Add Business button, and Google Business Profile Manager is giving two options: add single business, import business. So I will add the add single business option here, and so let's say if I do not have my business being listed on Google Maps, what I have to do is I will select the option add your business to Google, and I can describe my business. For instance, I'm just here, it's just an example. So for instance, if I'm trying to add a location, probably let's say it's a ABC. Let's say if something it's not being added on Google Map, I have to add on Google Map as well, which is why I'm just naming it a new thing which is not being over there, and I can select the category here. It can be anything. It can be helpline, health spa, headworks, hepatologist. It can be anything. There Google has so many insights and so many subcategories. You won't have an issue finding a good one for your product or service. Let's say it's a hospital department, for instance. Next. Okay, so now Google is giving me an option. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? This location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for your business. So yes, I want to add my listing on Google Map as well. So I will gonna select next. They will ask me city, address, city, and postal code. So for instance, I look at something. I'm just adding this default, and I can select this for safe side. Next. Now Google is asking for my business on where exactly it is located. There can be multiple ways through which you can add it. If you are in a location, Google is just trying to find the location where I am at the moment. So if you are at your location at the moment, Google will automatically find the location. I can change it as well, and Google, like no location. I have turned on the location in my Mac, but I have to open it, and then if I have to get sorted it. But in case if the system preference is not working, but all in all, if you can do it very easily from your mobile as well. So I have to select the location, and I can even select through this way. For instance, it's I can short down the area, and I can say, let's say it's here. Any location near me can also help me in pinpointing to a location. For instance, if there is a shop near me, I can find out exactly where I'm located. So just have to select it from here, and I can do this way, and then I will press the next button. Now Google is asking me, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? So for instance, if there is a product or service which requires people to visit you, you can select it from here. For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know where you're calling. So yes. For instance, if a product does not require visitor to come on, for instance, you are selling online and you do not have a warehouse, and you just have added a business just for the information only, for a serious queries, or then you can select no as well. So if there is a place which requires frequent visit, you can select this option as a yes, so people can easily locate and find you as well. You can also tell the area. So for instance, if you are a restaurant and you can cover delivery in specific areas, I can here mention, for instance, I can only serve in Gulbarg, Gahar. I can only serve in Gulbarg 3, Gulbarg 2. You can even go with the blocks as well. Let's say if I have to select a specific block, it can be short areas as well. I can select those areas. If only I am serving in specific areas, it's particularly for restaurants or home deliveries or something which requires, even it can be a pharmacy or something where you are limiting your deliveries. You can't deliver to every area you have, or a product or service require deliveries, and you just only serve to the close areas, or even more areas you can add. It's all optional. And then you have to add the phone number name. For instance, if I have added, let's say I'm just adding a random number. I can add a website as well. I can just tell I do not have a website as well. Okay, so it requires something relevant. Okay, so you are being verified by Google. You will be able to manage it after you have been verified. This may take a few minutes. It takes time. You can add your business hours as well. You can tell if it's always on or it's always closed. You can select it from here. But right now, since the business is new, it's being verified. Okay, it's now working. It's my option if I can select 24 hours. It's my option if I can select 12 a.m. till 10:30 p.m. I can select this, and then I can even skip as well if I do not want to add them. But right now I'm just selecting this for the information purposes only. 24 hours. It's 10 a.m. in the morning till 8 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay. It's an option, add messaging, if people want to ask more questions about your business. If they do have short questions, something like if they wanted to know more, they can select from here, and then you can add more business. This is just a test profile, and it will be deleted shortly. It is made for this video. It is made for this video. Now they are saying if you have photos of your business for your shop. They're just giving me example of a look like shop. If it's a barber salon, how it can be. They are just giving me suggestions. So I'm going to skip for now. The photos may appear on search, map, and other Google services as well. And they are giving me an option as well on advertising on Google Ads with my location. And if you are a new person who do not have a Google Ads account, they even give you a voucher as well. And definitely you can even hire me, and I can help you as well with the Google Business Manager and Google Ads for your business, for both. So your edits will be visible once you are verified. So now Google is going to verify my location. So right now they are also showing me you manage this location, edit profile, promote customers. So many options I have. Customers, start promoting it. So let's move back, because this just is a trial profile. I have an option here to review my comments. I can manage my comments as well. I can link to ads. I can select my notifications. When should I get notifications? So for now I'm just deleting it, because it is just a profile to test. So but this was, I just wanted to show you how you can create a business. So that's it. So I can even see my profile here before deleting. Let me show you the profile as well. Saying you manage the profile, again getting this everything, address, people asking questions, they will be shown here, and I can see the reviews as well. Since it's a new business and it's yet to be verified, so can't see it. But this is a very easy process to add a new business on Google Map. It's very, in a Google Business and Google Map, it's a very easy process. Hope you like the video, and I'm gonna now delete this. If you have any comments, suggestions, or concerns, you can or more than welcome to discuss in comment section. If you have anything you want to add, you can also add through comment section. Hopefully you like the video. Thank you and bye bye.